Here's how to start an OnlyFans management agency in 2024 without all the BS. All right, so before you go cold outreaching to models, you're going to want to social proof your personal Insta. Looks more personal. Girls can resonate with it. It doesn't look as spammy as sending a message from like a business account. And you're going to social proof it with screenshots. Now, because you're starting out, you obviously won't have your own screenshots, but everyone has to fake it till they make it. Make up for it later by actually doing well, all right? So you find screenshots like this, and you can do that really easily. You just join OnlyFans Shoutout for Shoutout groups on Facebook. I've made like 1 million videos showing how to do this. It is that simple. And then accept, you'll save the screenshots, and then you'll save like a watermark over the top with like Jimmy's agency or something like that, all right? So it looks like yours. Everyone does it. It's just what you have to do when you're starting out, all right? And then you'll start cold outreaching, finding models. Now, there's a way to shortcut the finding model process, and that is by going on websites like Fans Metrics or Australian OnlyFans. There's a whole bunch of others. And what you do is you just narrow it down by city. So you'll type in whatever city you're in or type in a real niche city, find models, and then you look for models that have the least amount of likes, because then they're the least likely to have been approached. They obviously would have been approached, but at least they wouldn't be spammed as much, so they're more likely to open your message. And then when you outreach, you'll send a voice message. Now with Insta, they've kind of upped the security a little bit, so you can't just send a voice message out right now. You have to have previous interactions with someone before you can send a voice message. So you start off by writing the text. Like you write * voice message and just send it. Because the point is to pique curiosity and set yourself apart from all the others. And then they're going to respond with something like question marks. And now I'm not going to go over this whole thing. I've made a whole nother video. You can find that. Just type in Bjorn Olsen, how to cold outreach, how to find a model, how to sign a model, whatever. You'll find it. I go over this exact thing. But the point is you get that interaction there, and then you send the voice message. Now, there's a lot of BS out there, and it's just leading you guys down the wrong track. They talk about first you have to come up with an offer. Look, we know what the offer is. You're trying to sign a girl so you can help her make money on the OnlyFans account, and in return, you make money. That is the offer. Don't overcomplicate it. And there's a lot of other nonsense out there. Get a girl on a call. Let's book her in the calendar. We'll book a date, schedule a meeting, a Zoom call. Why make it so complicated? Just because you're impressing yourself by putting all these steps there, you're not impressing them. You're just making it more likely and giving them more reasons not to sign with you. You're giving them more ways to object, more steps to object, because these girls can't be fucked getting on a call. They don't know you. And you can only lose by getting on a call, because she might think you're ugly. You might look like a dork. I don't know. You might be fidgeting your hands and like putting her off, whatever. And the other thing is that I see on these YouTube channels, don't send them 1 million qualifying questions. You're only impressing yourself. You're not impressing them. Let's be honest. You're just trying to sign a girl. You just started your OnlyFans management agency. Don't send her 100 qualifying questions, making it more complicated than it needs to be. Just look, as I said, there's another video. I'll go over this in more detail. It's as simple as this. This is an exact script that I have used to sign a model in the past. Right? So it's like you're sending a voice message. She'll go, yeah, go on. And then you record another voice message, give the spin. 50%'s a lot. They're all going to say that. I'm sure you already know that if you've already started. And then you can record another voice message, blah, blah, blah. You handle the objection. And then, okay, that makes sense. Oh, I'm interested. Boom. And you just upload your contract to Google Docs. And then you just paste the link in there. That's it. No calls, no meetings, no come up with an offer, no big presentations, no pitch decks. Just literally just get it done. And then once you've got her signed, give her a heads up. Tell her that you're going to need a couple of weeks, because you need to set up accounts and you need to age them. It's true. You're not just making shit up. But if you don't tell her that, she's going to wonder why no subs are coming in for a couple of weeks. Now, you can mitigate this by preempting it, getting familiar with entity text now, and then growing Reddit accounts. And then you can just age them while you're cold outreaching. So then when you sign a model, then the Reddit accounts will have already been aged and, got karma and stuff like that, and they'll be ready to go. And then you won't need to wait as long, so you can do that. But just set her expectations low once she's already signed. Say, look, it's going to take 3-4 weeks because we need to age the accounts. We need to set up all our iPhones, whatever it is. Just set her expectations low, because otherwise when she sees no new subscribers in the first week, she's going to freak out. So just let her know this. And that's literally it. Don't overcomplicate it. Now, let's be honest, you're going to need to send a shitload of DMs. You're going to need to send a shitload of messages because half the girls aren't going to see your message. It's going to be in requests. Half of them are going to think you're weird. Half of them it's going to be like their millionth message for the day and they might have an attitude. No worries at all. You just keep sending them and you're going to send them until you get action blocked. And that's it. All right. Now, I don't want to hear anything about I've sent 20 messages, why haven't I signed a model? Look, if that's your attitude, then you should just get out now and go back to working at McDonald's or something because it's going to take repetition and that's just the way it is. All right. And that's it. So look, I hope it helped. And as usual, if you like the video, go smash like button, smash subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.